This is a quick overview of how you can embed video from YouTube into your own portfolio if you wanted to go and find exemplars, good examples of products that you'd like to make. This is how you can keep those things in your portfolio and help build on them when you build your own projects. It starts here, basically. We're going to go and look in YouTube and see if we can find something, and I'm going to look for an animation. Let's see, actually, animator versus animation. This is a video that I've always admired, and I would like to put it in my portfolio as an example of something that could be created, although it's a really tough one. Now, the trick of getting it is we're going to have to embed it. And first thing we're going to have to do is skip by the commercial. And we don't actually have to play this thing. I'm going to go down below and look under the share settings and find share settings for just about any video. It'll allow you to do this embed, although it can be turned off in some cases. Share, embed, and I'm going to go to a custom size. I'm going to use 533 as the size for this particular piece, and typing it in here gives me the embed code. The embed code I want to copy with a right mouse click and a copy and take back to my portfolio. Now I'll edit my portfolio with that copied embed code. I now have to put that code into something, and the thing to put it into is called a Gadget. I'm going to go to where I want to put the video, insert, and look for more gadgets. Under more gadgets, the one we're looking for is called the embed gadget. And if you scroll down, eventually you find it. You can also try searching for it if you need to. And once you've selected it, hit that select button and paste in the code that you copied from YouTube, the embed code. Make sure that these values are matched top and bottom, 533 by 400. Okay, I'll put in the 533. And also scroll to the very bottom and you will see there are some other options you probably want to toggle off. Borders and titles just take up room that aren't really necessary. And lastly, I will go to this thing and I'll delete some leading blanks so it fills the space a little better. And I can give this thing a title. It's just a part of my portfolio now. It's not actually using any room. It's just linking over to YouTube and creating a link back to that one. So this is animator versus animation, an example. Okay, once you hit the save button, everything should just load up. The page gets slower and slower the more things you have that are being embedded into any given page. So you may want to embed these into separate pages to speed things up a little bit, but everything runs just fine, and you can make your own comments and notes about that piece right here. And you can always link back to the thing after it starts playing by clicking that little YouTube link that leads you right back, or leads someone that reads your portfolio right back to the original. That's it. Hope that helps.